Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about how you can style your hair in different types of styles. Like, I know most people have been emailing me about how do I like my hairstyles and what type of different cool styles to rock your pixie cut. And that's just something that I'm going to be showing you guys today. I'm going to just be doing a lot of different hairstyles so that you guys can get a glimpse of how I rock my short hairstyles, because guys, I literally love short hairstyles. So the hairstyles that I use, I mean, I'm not talking about what everybody else do, but with me, I like to be my own person. And I like to just do me on my hairstyles. Like, even if they're ugly, I'm still gonna rock it and it's still gonna be cute. So let's get into this video. And yeah, so I got my washing, and this is something I'm going to be using because I really love my hair to be like not oily, but I really like the texture on my hair. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of this oil sheen, and this is the Carrot Care. I really love Carrot Care oil sheen. They got a lot of different products on this, but this is the only one I use. It's good for if you're out in the summertime or something like that. It'll hold the your curls or something like that, and it's not gonna fall or anything. So this is something that's really good for you, and I really like this. And if you're like just doing a little spikies in your hair and you're out in the wind or something, it's not gonna blow. So this is something I really love to use on my hair. I don't use that much. I would like use it on my hand and then rub it together and then put it on my hair. That's just something that I do. I don't like a lot of oil sheen on my hair, so that's just something that I do. So let's get into this video because I think I'm talking too much. Oh yeah, I'm like 3 minutes in, so I don't want to talk you guys' ears out that long. So yeah, all I do is just spray this on my hand. All I'm doing is just spraying it on my hand and just putting it on my hair. I just pat it on because I really don't like a lot of product on my hair, as you guys already know, but I don't like a lot of product. So the first do that I like to do is, I call this the silk press do. Like, it's just a simple type of do that I use, and it's just a lay down do, and I like to use my rake comb just to lay my hair down, or I like to use my hand. Like, most of the time I will be using my hands when doing my hair, but today I'm going to use my rake comb, and you'll probably see me not using one, so sorry, I'm just doing my job. So what I like to do is just lay my hair down. Call this one the lay down press do, and I just wag it and go. Push your hair over to the side, put some in front of your face or something like that. Use my raking comb and just glide the comb this way, and girl, that's all you gotta do. Lay this hair down and we're out the door. I literally just fluff it up because I don't like my hair stiff, so just giving a little bounce to it. Even though it's not gonna bounce, don't mind me, but we're just giving it a little bit of, some type of move and groove in the hair or something like that. So we're just going to give it a groove on this hair. Just throw some little lines in there. I like to just do this. It just makes it look like it's like you're coming out the beauty shop or something like that. That's what I kind of think of when I'm doing my hair. Or if I'm just doing a little simple do, I would do this. Make it look like I'm coming out the salon. And just pinching my hair just to give it some type of groove in my hair. See, and as you guys can see, this is like a simple do. You don't have to do too much to your hair. No hot combs and no blow dryer. You know how they be blowing drying their hair and then they make it into a style. I think that's very, very cool, but we don't have to do too much to the hair because you can use your hands, and also you can just wag this thing, like give it some type of pop or something. This is just something that I like to do. Just spark it up just a little bit. And as you guys can see, it's nothing major. All I did was just use my spray, and that was just it. Okay, so now the next do is we're going to wag our hair in the front, and I just like to use this. I just like to do like different things to my hair. Now the next do is just this spiky wow look that I like to do. No more oil sheen, because we're not going to use no more oil sheen because I don't like to have my hair oily like that, so we're not going to do that. I'm just spiking it up just a little bit, and this is the do that I really, really love. This spiky do. Love working with my hands. I mean, you can use your rake comb with this, and it'll probably like spark up the vibe. Actually works very, very well when you do this, especially with using your rake comb. So all I'm doing is just pushing my hair over to the side, and this is just something that I like to do as well. I call this one the Spice Girl look because it got the little, you know, lay down spike. It's like a lay down, and it's like going out in the front. As you guys can see, it's very, very lay down, and I call this one the Spice Girl do. The Spice Girl spike, and I really, really love spiky hair. Like, that's just my thing. I really, really love spiky hair. So we're gonna just brush this over to the side. It don't have to be like a wow or, you know, dramatic, but we're gonna call this the laid back Spice Girl. It's a pretty laid back do. Next, we're going to go with the third one, and we're just going to lay our hair completely flat. And I just call this the Chinese bang. Like, originally it is the Chinese bang, but I just kind of like that look. It just kind of makes me feel like I'm a business girl, like, you know, and I just, you know, I got my bag and my little suit on with the shirt on, and we're going. We got some calls, and, you know, this is like that type of look, and I really, really love that look. So I like to just, you know, this is like something if you're going on a business call and you just have to hurry up and run out the house, you just wag your hair, and then you have your, you know, bangs, and you're out the door. So this is just something that is like that. So you don't really have to do much to your hair with pixie cuts. That's why I love pixie cuts. And then I just wag it like this so it can give it some type of bounce so it won't be stiff. So that's what I like about this. Okay, we're gonna do the model spike. Well, it's not gonna be a model spike. I'm just naming them while I'm doing it. We just have the hair going to the side, and it's just laid back. We're gonna brush this all the way over. I call this the Superman spike because I just like the spikes going like this, and then I just leave them alone. I like my hairstyles over on my left side because it makes it feel kind of like funny if I'm like having my hair over to my right side. And I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think about that? Maybe it's just me, but I just like my hairstyles over to my left side. And I like my hair to be, I don't like it like in my face. Okay, y'all, so the last one that I did was the famous hairstyle, and I really love this hairstyle. Super duper simple, super duper laid back, and this is just something that I like. And this is the famous hairstyle, and this is like a photo type of hairstyle that you can just take your little photo shoot and call it a day, especially with your hair laid down. It just looks kind of a silky type of do, and that's just something that I love. So this is the famous hairstyle. If you guys can hear me, I really love this hairstyle because it's just so simple. Like, I love simple hairstyles, and this is just something that I would recommend to any of you guys. If you guys want, you know, simple little hairstyles just to, you know, wag and go, that's just something that I will recommend to you guys. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. Make sure you guys are turning on you guys notifications so that you won't miss another video that I post. So always remember to keep it Holly style, and I'll see you guys back in another video.